prepared, automatically that kills you. Next, dress inappropriately. Please take note. Ladies, you should be in a skirt or a dress. Plain colors, not like me, loud. I've earned the right to wear loud colors. That's what my boss says. But when I was starting out, it was all plain, very simple. You know, short dress, not short dress. Anything knee length or longer. Not shorter, longer. If I see knees, it better be half of the knees. If I see knees and thighs, it's too short. If I see chan, definitely wrong. Definitely, di ba? Britney Spears, why not? Okay. Shoes, you can wear open-toed shoes. I have no problems as long as your toes look fantastic. If your toes are different colors for whatever reasons, they should be hidden from plain view. Okay? Yes. Boys, definitely I shouldn't be seeing toes, right? Yes. Boys should be slacks. Okay? Wag na ho tayong mag-brown pants. Wag na kayong magalit. Okay? Wag na. Pag mag-i-interview, dark pants, plain top, none of those looking like a tree, brown pants, green, walang ganon. Tapos brown tie, lalo na. Or red, pang Christmas. Panira, diba? Yung mga pinag-uusapan ho namin yun. Pag ganun. Okay. So, be very, very careful. Poor communication skills, obviously, that goes without saying. Too much communication. When I'm interviewing you, please make sure that your phone is off. If it's on silent, it better not be on vibrate. Because we can feel the vibrations, okay? Kung mga ganon-ganon kayo. O kaya pag girl, yung bag nyo naglalakad na ganon, hinahabol nung girl pag ganon siya ng konti, diba? Easy, hindi wag yun. And then obviously, give the wrong answer. Simply put, again, it's part of number 1, making sure that you're prepared. Okay? Next, please. All 5. Wag na natin yan. Siguro naman hindi nyo yan gagawin. That's common sense. That goes without saying. If you've done internships, okay, this is, okay, simply lang. If you've done internships, somebody asks you, how was your internship in whatever? Okay, pag ang sagot nyo, paano pag ang pinagawa sa inyo taga-staple lang tsaka taga-kuha ng kape? Because that happens sometimes, yes? Ginagawa mo lang, literally, papasok ka, mag-staple, tapos kumukuha ka ng ano. This is what we actually do. This is the only answer you can say when asked, how was your internship in company XYZ? It was great. I learned what I needed to learn. Diba? Pag tinanong ka, what did you learn? Makulit ang interviewer, what did you learn? Ang sagot, wag ho kayong magsinungaling na, I did a project, I did ganyan. Kasi alam namin. Kasi hindi mo may explain kasi wala kang ginawa. Okay? Pero ang sagot, simple lang. Paano nga pag staple lang tsaka coffee? Ito ang sagot. What did you learn? I learned how to staple well and make a really good cup of coffee. Simple lang, seryoso. Really, yes, I can beat the barista in the corner. Ganon lang ang sagot. Tama? Next, please. All 5, please. Thank you. Ito naman, exact opposite lang of what I just said. It's really about preparing, making sure that you're clear on what you want to do. When I ask you, what are you really applying for? What are you looking for? Wag niyo ho akong sagutin ng any opening. Kasi nakakairita yun. Sagot kayo, you know, I'd be interested in, name me your top 2. And be ready with the reason why. Okay? Next would be, describe your weaknesses and strengths. Mamaya na yan pang Q&A. Okay? Have clear personal standards and interview the interviewer. Simply put, tanungin nyo rin kami. When at the end of the interview, when we say any questions you might have, the worst thing you can say is, no, I'm okay. Parang di ka interesado. Ask question, how long have you been here? What makes you stay in Nestle? Yan. Lahat kayo ganun ang tanong. Pag in-interview na. Okay, next please. Last, can you put everything there? Okay. I'm gonna do this to you. How to think strategic and long-term. Okay. The one thing I will advise is you be brutally honest with yourself. Okay? And ask yourself, what is it that you can really do? May mga iba kasi nag-aambisyon, I want to be the next Tita Chick. Pero hindi ka marunong magsalita in public. Hindi. Or ayaw mo ng tao. Hindi ka pwede sa trabaho ni Tita Chick. Some of us, in my case, I wanted to be Lea Salonga. Pwede naman, di ba? But, you know, I did the whole singing. I did repertory. I did Berkshire Philippines. I did all that. Pero, hindi ko kaya. Plus, I realized I didn't want that kind of life. I didn't want to do that kind of traveling, leave my family. So I had to give that up. Doesn't mean I don't go all showbiz and Christmas parties, which I do. Okay? But I was very honest with myself. Okay? Ano ba yung kaya kong gawin? Next. Have an idea of what you want to do. This is what your problem is in your generation. Hindi kayo clear nga kung ano yung gusto nyong gawin. Okay? So you need to figure out at least some idea of what you want to do when you graduate. Okay? Next. Ato, pay your dues early and consistently. Trabaho lang. Okay? After you graduate, when you start working, don't expect that you will be, I want to be GM in 5 years. Okay? Unless ikaw ay COO. Alam nyo ang COO? Child of Owner. Yan. Pag si Papa at si Mama ang may-ari ng kumpanya, GM ka, day one. Para kung hindi si Mama at si Papa ang may-ari, maghirap ka muna. Okay? Huwag isipin na, I want to be a brand manager, I will handle the brand. Pagpasok ko, day one, uupo ako, wala akong kaalam-alam, nagdi-decide ako, pumipirma ako. Hindi ho ganun. Chances are, ang gagawin mo, nagbibilang ka ng inventaryo pag simula mo. You need to start from the bottom and work your way up. That's the only way you will appreciate the kind of work you're supposed to be doing. Lastly, can you click through everything, please? Everything, please. Okay. Get an internship for the juniors. Get an internship. Land one in an industry that you really want to pursue after graduation. This is getting your feet wet. Do that now. Start applying now. Mangulit. Puntahan niyo kami sa January when we sponsor your job fair. Yan. Umikot kayo doon. Kulitin nyo. Doon kayo mag-apply. Research on the life you want. Get a mentor. You have amazing professors in Ateneo. I was very, very blessed that I had amazing teachers here. I was very blessed. I had Tita Chit. I had people that I felt could be mentors to me. Find one that understands you. I've had a mentor for the last 14 years of my life. I have two. One male, one female. Okay. Every career move I've made has been consulted with those two. Find someone who can do that for you. It can be an uncle, it can be a cousin who's older, whom you admire. Anybody. Find something or someone that makes it worthwhile. And last but not the least, it's obviously embrace the unexpected. Mamaya ako na ikukwento yung favorite Ayala stories ko. Because baka mapagod na si Jai kakahintay. Alright? With that, I think we'll have our open forum later on. So we'll leave you questions for that. Alright? Thanks for listening, and I'll turn you over to the handsome gentleman who's sitting now.